Welcome to Anatomy and Physiology. We're going to start with Chapter 1, and Chapter 1 is going to take us through a bunch of themes, and these themes are kind of big concepts that we're going to see throughout the entire class over and over again many times throughout the semester. And the first thing we need to do is define what is anatomy and what is physiology. So anatomy is the study of structure, the shape, the location, the makeup of something. And this can be as small as a molecule within our cells or an entire organ system. The physiology is how something functions. So this is how does a cell interact with a cell that's next to it, or how is blood circulated throughout the entire body. These are very similar, but not exactly the same. So anatomy and physiology can't be separated from each other. The structure of something is always going to imply how it functions. And the function of something is always going to be based on the way it's shaped. So if you change the shape of a molecule, that molecule is now going to function differently. And we're going to see examples of this over and over and over again. The anatomy of our body was first discovered through dissection, the actual opening of the body and looking at the parts. One particular area of anatomy that I particularly like is called comparative anatomy, and this is going to examine trends between different species, so not just humans. And we can look at examples of similarities and differences that help us kind of understand the evolutionary trends of different species. So you'll probably see examples from comparative anatomy from time to time. Take a moment and reflect on what is the difference between anatomy and physiology.